President's Counsel Nalinda Indathissa, who made a submission to the court on behalf of Citizens Power Against Bribery, Corruption and Waste Organisation, an aggrieved party in the case, asked the court to issue an order to investigate a person that died after receiving doses of immunoglobulin injections. He also mentioned that information had been received that 3 patients who had been administered the drug had died at the Colombo National Hospital. Deputy Solicitor General Lakmini Girihagama responded to the request by the President's Counsel and said that it had been informed earlier to the court of the need to obtain a detailed report of patients who died and developed complications after administering the medicine in question, and added that further action will be taken after receiving the report. After considering the facts, the magistrate ordered the Director General of Health Services to submit a detailed report to the court before the 30th of May. The magistrate then asked the defence lawyers whether they would submit facts for the consideration of bail for the suspects. Sudat Janaka Fernando, the first accused of this case and the mastermind behind the company that supplied the substandard drug, requested for permission to make a statement in the court. Since there was no lawyer to appear for the suspect today, it was allowed. During his confession, he asked the court where the Criminal Investigation Department had such authority to investigate regarding substandard drugs and queried who complained the medicine he supplied to be substandard. He questioned what crime he committed that falls under the Public Property Act. Following his statement, when the magistrate asked him whether the medicine was manufactured in Sri Lanka or not, the suspect refused to give an answer. He also mentioned that answers should be found through an investigation. Deputy Solicitor General Lakmini Girihagama, who responded to the suspect's statement, said that 3 expert reports that were submitted to the court had confirmed the vials that were supplied supposedly containing human immunoglobulin contained solutions containing bacteria, while the anti-cancer antibody called monoclonal, which must be present in the antibody vaccine called rituximab, was not found in the vaccines that were supplied. Later, as special matters were not presented for obtaining bail for the rest of the suspects, all suspects were remanded further until the 22nd of April. Further, since the bail order issued to Additional Secretary of the Ministry of Health Saman Ratnayaka and Dr. Thusita Sudarshana is to be announced next Wednesday, an order that they be remanded was also made.